Hello students, today our topic is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence endeavors to simulate the natural intelligence of human beings into machines, thus making them behave intelligently. Here are some of the examples of application of artificial intelligence. On uploading a photo on a social networking site, has it ever happened that your friends in the photograph were recognized and tagged automatically? It is due to the artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how maps in your smartphone are able to guide you to take the fastest route to your destination by analyzing real-time data such as traffic congestion? Have you ever think it is only due to the artificial intelligence? That intelligent digital personal assistants like Siri, Google Now, Cortana, Alexa are all powered by artificial intelligence. An intelligent machine is supposed to imitate some of the cognitive functions of humans like learning, decision making, and problem solving. In order to make machines perform tasks with minimum human intervention, they are programmed to create a knowledge base and make decisions based on it. Artificial intelligence systems can also learn from past experiences or outcomes to make new decisions. Some important terms which are used in artificial intelligence are: first one, machine learning; second one is natural language processing; third one is immersive experiences; and the last one is robotics. First one is machine learning. Basically, a machine learning is a subsystem of artificial intelligence wherein computers have the ability to learn from data using statistical techniques without being explicitly programmed by a human being. It comprises algorithms that use data to learn on their own and make predictions. These algorithms are called as models, are first trained and tested using a training data and testing data respectively. After successive trainings, once these models are able to give results to an acceptable level of accuracy, they are used to make predictions about new and unknown data. Second one is natural language processing. The predictive tapping feature of search engine that help us by suggesting the next word in the sentence while tapping keywords, and the spell checking features are example of natural language processing. It deals with the interaction between human and computers using human spoken languages such as Hindi, English, etc. In fact, it is possible to search the web or operate or control our devices using our voice. All this has been possible by natural language processing, and a natural language processing system can perform text-to-speech and speech-to-text conversion as depicted in diagram. Here you can see this. Machine translation is a rapidly emerging field where machines are able to translate text from one language to another with fair amount of correctness. Next, third one is immersive experiences. With the 3D videography, the joy of watching movies in theaters has reached a new level. Video games are also being developed to provide immersive experiences to the player. Immersive experiences have been used in the field of training, such as driving simulators, flight simulators, and so on. Immersive experience can be achieved using virtual reality and augmented reality. First one is virtual reality. Virtual reality is a three-dimensional computer-generated situation that simulates the real world. The user can interact with and explore that environment by getting immersed in it while interacting with the objects and other actions of the user. At present, it is achieved with the help of virtual reality headsets. In order to make the experience of virtual reality more realistic, it promotes other sensory information like sound, smell, motion, temperature, etc. Here you can see the virtual reality. Next one is augmented reality. This superimposition of computer-generated perceptual information over the existing physical surroundings is called as augmented reality. Users can access information about the nearest places with reference to their current location. They can get information about the places and choose on the basis of the user's reviews. Google Lens application is an example of augmented reality. Google Lens is an image recognition technology developed by Google designed to bring up relevant information related to objects it identifies using visual analysis based data camera on a neural network. Here you can see location-based augmented reality. And the last one is robotics. A robot is basically a machine capable of carrying out one or more tasks automatically with accuracy and precision. Unlike other machines, a robot is programmable, which means it can follow the instructions given through computer programs. Robots were initially conceptualized for doing repetitive industrial tasks that are boring or stressful for humans or were labor-intensive. Sensors are one of the prime components of the robot. Robot can be of many types such as wheeled robots, legged robots, manipulators, and humanoids. Robots that resemble humans are known as humanoids. And the first humanoid is Sophia. Robots are being used in industries, medical science, bionics, scientific research, military, etc. Some of the examples of robots are NASA's Mars Exploration Rover, Sophia, and Drone. Sophia is a humanoid that uses artificial intelligence, visual data processing, facial recognition, and also imitates human gestures and facial expressions. A drone is an unmanned aircraft which can be remotely controlled or can fly autonomously through software-controlled flight plans in their embedded systems, working in conjunction with onboard sensors and GPS. Basically, it is used in the wildlife monitoring, photography, geographical mapping, etc. Last one is NASA's Mars Exploration Rover mission is a robotic space mission to study about the planet Mars.
अगर आप इस चैनल पे फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट कर रहे हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लो ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती